Okay, we're ready to test the gate. We've put it in position, we've set it, it's a fraction high, we've kicked the blocks out. So you open the gate, make sure there's nothing fouling, there's nothing catching on the first open, just in case something is a bit crooked or out of place, but this looks fine. And then just test the function. Okay, this is the factory setting. This is the setting that I would suggest would be adequate for most outdoor applications as far as pool fencing goes. Obviously we have a setting stronger and a setting weaker. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll reduce the strength of the top hinge, so we can see what it does to the function of the gate. Okay, we're on the factory setting, which is the middle strength, and obviously you turn towards the plus to make it stronger, and you let it go back towards the negative to get weaker. So from a factory setting we have one stronger and one weaker. Okay, now we'll show you how to achieve that. We'll go weaker. Okay, so we've got the Allen key on the inside there going into the grub screw. Now what I want to do is I want to turn the cap a fraction and take some pressure off the side of the grub screw. Okay, so we can move the cap that engages the spring. Okay, so now I've let it go back one hole. Okay, so the dot on the top of the cap actually corresponds with a hole on the side of the cap that this grub screw actually goes into, and I'll show you that. This is one we've taken out. You can see the dots on the top correspond with holes around the inside of the cap. Okay, we will have a new cap coming out very soon that has 4 more dots around the other side, so you have full rotation adjustment. Okay, we've just made the adjustment to the weakest setting on the top hinge at least. So we're the weakest setting on the top, factory setting on the bottom where the safety cap is. Okay, and this is the function on the weakest setting on the top. You know, that's a nice function. It's in some situations it might be a bit weak if there's considerations like wind and you know, weather. You want to ensure that the gate is going to close in an outdoor application. So, but in an internal application, where it might be a pedestrian gate or a gate that blocks off a private area in a corporate scenario, this function is more than adequate. It's not too hard, it's not too soft. If you wanted to go a bit softer, what you would do is take the safety cap off the bottom hinge, put that to the slowest setting as well, and that would slow it down again. Okay, so that's this is just